Dako naman tayo sa mundo ng palakasan. Isang bagay lang ang panalangin ni Pinay tennis ace Alex Ayala ngayong laglag na siya sa Philippine Women's Open matapos mabigo sa quarterfinals kontra kay Camila Osorio ng Colombia kagabi sa Maynila. Kung ano yan, alamin sa sentro ng balita ni Paulo Salamatin.
Tuloy na nagtapos ang kampanya ni Filipino tennis sensation Alex Ayala sa WTA 125 Philippine Women's Open event na kung saan nabigo siyang umusad sa quarterfinals match kontra sa kanyang Colombian opponent na si Camila Osorio sa score na 6-4, 6-4.
Hindi man pinalad na makakuha ng inaasam na WTA title sa sariling bansa, nais ni Ayala na maging inspirasyon ito para sa tennis sa Pilipinas upang mas lalo pang tumaas ang antas ng kompetisyon sa bansa at magsilbing standard ang Philippine Women's Open sa mga susunod pang tennis tournament sa hinaharap. Sa naganap na post-match press conference kagabi, panawagan ni Ayala na sana'y maging simula ito ng pagbabago sa tennis sa Pilipinas para sa layuning makabuo pa ng mas maraming kampiyon balang araw.
Well, I think this is a good stepping stone, like I've mentioned before. In my opinion, women's tennis especially has been overlooked for a long time. You know, on top of tennis already not being such a popular sport here in the Philippines, I heard the other day that locally there were only, for men, 8 professional tournaments around the Philippines, and for women only 2. So to have a WTA here would, like I said, is a great stepping stone and I think a wake-up call for the people who are able to help and able to do something about it. I think there's a lot of room for improvement having like just 2 professional tournaments for women tennis players. I think there's a huge margin for improvement there. And, you know, Filipinos are super hardworking, super passionate. So I'm sure if we nourish our tennis players, then slowly we can start to build, you know, more and more champions. Yeah.
Dagdag pa ni Ayala na higit pa umano sa kahit anong tropeyo ang maging parte sa kauna-unahang WTA event sa bansa at masaksihan ang mga Filipino fans na nag-e-enjoy sa panonood ng isang makasaysayang tennis tournament.
I think this tournament, you know, although it's not yet done, I think it's been a great success. I think just the turnout of people, you know, seeing how much they've enjoyed, hearing the feedback from other players and from people in the WTA, I think, you know, it couldn't have turned out better for a first edition. And I'm so happy that I got to be a part of it, and I'm so happy that I was able to see it unfold.
Sa kabila nito, magkahalong emosyon naman ang naramdaman ng mga ilang fans na nanood live sa quarterfinals match ni Ayala kontra kay Osorio.
Too bad because we all wanted to watch Alex play in the semis and in the finals, but we're still very thankful because she brought WTA here in the Philippines.
Definitely upset, of course, because the person we're all rooting for lost, but still looking forward to for the next tournament she'll be in. We're still be rooting for her and supporting her in the future.
I was kind of disappointed that she lost because this should be meaningful to her because this is the inaugural tennis tournament in the Philippines, the first one.
Samantala, hindi pa tapos ang misyon ni Ayala kung saan balik trabaho muli ang Pinay netter para sa sunod nitong kompetisyon na Abu Dhabi Open na nakanakdang simulan ngayong Pebrero. Paulo Salamatin para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.